Mayday. Now repeat after me. Mayday. Mayday. Welcome to English Dictionary Infinity, where we help you perfect your pronunciation and expand your vocabulary, one word at a time. Meaning. Mayday is an internationally recognized distress signal used in emergency situations, particularly in aviation and maritime communications. When repeated 3 times, Mayday, 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 it signals that immediate help is needed. The term comes from the French phrase Mayday, which means help me. Mayday is used only in serious emergencies to ensure a swift response from rescue services. Think of it like this. Mayday is the ultimate call for help, alerting others that there's an urgent, life-threatening situation. In a sentence, the pilot declared Mayday when the engine failed mid-flight, signaling the need for immediate assistance. Here, Mayday refers to the emergency call for help. Let's try another example. The ship's captain issued a Mayday after it started taking on water during a storm. Now it's your turn. If you understand the word, comment below with your own sentence using Mayday. Synonyms. Some related terms for Mayday are distress call, a call for help in an emergency. SOS, another widely recognized signal for urgent assistance. Antonyms. The opposite of Mayday would be all clear, a signal indicating that an emergency has passed or been resolved. Safe, a state of being free from danger or harm. Part of speech. Mayday is a noun referring to an emergency distress signal used in life-threatening situations. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to keep building your vocabulary with us at English Dictionary Infinity. Don't forget to hit the notification bell for more words and pronunciation tips. See you next time.